Stop using cheap tools, do it like the master craftsman instead. Why are there not more people talking about the best wood carvers in history? From ancient Egypt to medieval Europe, wood carving has been a revered art form. But who are the real legends? Meet Grinling Gibbons, the Michelangelo of wood. His intricate designs still wow us today. Move over to Japan and you'll find Hidari Jingoro, a mystical figure with carvings so lifelike, they almost breathe. Fast forward to the 19th century and we have Wilhelm Schimmel, an American folk artist. His animal carvings? Pure magic. And let's not forget Anna Hyatt Huntington, who broke barriers in the male-dominated field and became a master sculptor. These craftsmen didn't just carve wood, they carved history. So next time you pick up that chisel, remember, you're in good company. Who's your favorite wood carver? Drop their name in the comments. Stay tuned for more DIY inspiration, like and subscribe for more awesome content.